Kids, in today's video we're going to do mixed complement formula of plus 6. This is the new concept we started. New concept but same formulas. The way of applying it is different, but the formulas are same. Okay, when you will practice you will get to know. Now plus 6 formulas is same. We are applying small big friends formula only we learned. Plus 10 minus 4. Okay, but the way we are going to apply it is different. Okay, imagine I have 6 with me. Add it on your abacus. 6. Okay, now I have to add another 6. Big friends formula. Add 10 less 4. I don't have beats for left less 4. So when we don't have beats for any number, what do? Apply its formula. Which formula can we apply here? Minus 4 has small friends and big friends. So when we get stuck, we first go to small friends only. For numbers that have small friends. Minus 4 has small friends, right? So minus 4's small friends formula. Minus God plus friend. Minus 5 plus 1. Minus 5 plus 1. What did I do? I applied formula and formula. In 6, I was supposed to do 6. How will I do? I did big friends at 10 less 4. What did I do? I had to add 6. I had to apply 6's formula. Okay, I applied plus 10 minus 4. But while doing minus 4, I again applied minus 4's formula because I didn't have enough beats for minus 4. Okay, it might seem a little complicated now, but with practice, it's gonna be super easy. Okay, let's do another one. I have 7 with me. I have to do 6. At 10 less 4. Again, less 4 is less 5 minus 1. Formulas and formulas we are applying. Answer is 13. Okay. Let's do easier questions for this only, as this is already very complicated. Okay. Now I have 7. Add 2 less 1. Add 6. Okay. What will be the formula of add 6? Add 10 less 4, big friends only. Add 10 less 4. Answer is 14. Okay. Those who want to try a complicated one also, okay, try with me. Add 6 minus 4. Add 3 minus 4. Add 9. Add 5. Add 1. Add 6. See, now what should I do? Add 10 less 4. Clear? Go through it again, look at it again. I've applied formulas in between, mixed formulas. Tell me in the comments which formula did I apply. Okay. If you're not able to get complicated one, that's why making you do easy ones first. Okay. So that you can, do according to your understanding. Okay. I'll see you in the next class with plus 7. See you. Bye bye. And tell me in the comments the formula that I applied in the complicated one.